Okay, we are headed down to STB in the dead of snow. Let me switch you around here. What do we have? Ooh, it is. They said we were gonna get a lot of snow, and they were right, but it looks like the roads are clear, dang it. Oh man. Okay, well, we'll see. I'm still in two-wheel drive. Two-wheel drive, one-handed, no cars. Oh! Trying to spin out, having a hard time spinning out. Alright. Okay, once again, no cars, it's just us. Cannot get off the road. Okay, so like I said, still in two-wheel drive. Oh, got a little bit of spin here. Okay. But so far, everything feels good. Alright. So, snow just blew off my window. Or my mirror, rather. We're going over a bridge. Might be slick there. Alright, there's a few cars and a pedestrian. I don't want to hit him if I slam on my brakes, but we will do a little bit of a slide test here in a second. Okay, going 35, slamming on the brakes. ABS locked them in. Nope, can't get anything to happen. Not too many people on the road, a couple other Tundras, but I'm literally going 35, 40 miles an hour, and it seems good. It's pretty. We don't get this kind of weather in Greenville very often, so when we do, we've got to take advantage of it. This looks like a little slick here. Let me see if I can, yep, we got the wheels to spin a little. I don't want to scare oncoming. That's the culprit. There's a, I don't know if you can see it because it's so, there is a snowplow going through downtown. They do this to us every time. All right, going around a corner here. Might be able to get it to slide. Oh yeah. No, not too much. They've put salt on the roads already, I think. All right, here we are downtown. Plow trucks everywhere. Obviously, nothing is open. Oh, what do we have here? Don't tell me. Port City Java's open. Okay, well, we're already open too. I'm just now getting there, but Camden was able to open up about 10 minutes ago, I guess. So he made it in two-wheel drive, RAV4. Thought he had four-wheel drive, but apparently the RAV4s don't. Well, you can see the news is out. Oh, Greenville is... Let me see if I can wipe my windshield wipers. There we go. Oh, there we go. A little better. Okay, pulling up to Spill the Beans. And I think Cam and I are gonna maybe run down to the park and sled down the hill with some hot chocolate. So, definitely no one out right now. But that's not, oh, there's somebody, a couple walking their little pup. I got a front row seat too.